Routine auto services are divided into two types, minor and major. Both occur at regular intervals which vary slightly by vehicle. Minor maintenance includes things like changing the oil and oil filter, checking coolant, transmission and windshield wiper fluids, and inspecting tires, brakes, wipers, belts, hoses, and exterior lights. Minor service checks should occur every 3,000 to 7,000 miles. Major maintenance checks occur at larger intervals between 45,000 and 95,000 miles. These services include the replacement of air and fuel filters, brake, transmission, and transfer case fluids, and the inspection of batteries and spark plugs as needed. Replace brake pads, radiator hoses, coolant, timing belts, and inspect the control system. Regularly giving your car the love and attention it needs will ensure your vehicle lasts for many miles to come. For more information on White Bear Lake Superstore, please visit our website at www.whitebearlakesuperstore.com.